Today I would like to introduce you to this gas fire. A gas fire is a popular cooking appliance used in commercial kitchens to quickly cook large quantities of food using hot oil and high temperatures. It consists of a tank for holding the oil, a burner to heat the oil, and a temperature control system. They also often include a filter system to remove impurities from the oil and extend its life. Next, let's take a look at this fire. For stainless steel body, the content top of this fire is made of 304 2.0mm stainless steel, and the side panel is made of 201 stainless steel, strong and durable. In addition, the content top is seamlessly stamped without any dead corners. It's smooth and very easy to clean. The fire adopts a double tank designed with 3 heating elements, providing strong firepower and repeat heating. Equipped with high-quality firing buckets, equipped with safety designs such as no-slip pads and heat-resistant handles, ensuring that users are safer and more comfortable during the operation process. A gas fire usually has a control panel integrated, consisting of switch, knobs, and digital displays that allows users to adjust and control the gas fire. And the control system is equipped with an independent switch and temperature control. Finally, this fire also equipped with an oil drain pan, ensuring that the oil can easily be removed from the tank, and reducing the difficulty and time required for cleaning. Okay, that's all. Thanks for choosing INEO.